Whether you're refreshing your existing cabinets, adding hardware to new ones, or you're building a project from scratch, the cabinet hardware jig from KREG makes adding knobs and pulls incredibly easy. The cabinet hardware jig takes all of the guesswork out of the process, giving you the confidence to add the finishing touch to doors and drawers without worrying about the mistakes that can come from having to measure and mark every time, or rely on flimsy, inaccurate templates. The cabinet hardware jig is packed with features that ensure your success, like adjustable hardened steel drill guides, a movable edge guide, and built-in measuring scales. Together, they ensure simple, repeatable accuracy that allows you to get the job done quickly and correctly with professional, quality results. Using the cabinet hardware jig to install cabinet pulls is simple. Just position the jig's adjustable drill guides to align with the mounting hole spacing that matches your pull. The drill guides ensure that the holes are drilled straight, something simple templates can't do, so pulls mount perfectly every time. And those drill guides are made from hardened steel, so they'll maintain their accuracy no matter how many mounting holes you drill. Drilling straight holes for the mounting screws is important, but positioning those holes exactly where they're needed is critical. The cabinet hardware jig makes that incredibly easy thanks to an adjustable edge guide. Simply slide the edge guide into position using the built-in measuring scales. Tighten the large wing knobs and the edge guide is locked in place. Then use the measuring scale or the centering window to finish positioning the cabinet hardware jig exactly where the mounting holes are needed. Clamp the jig in place and drill the holes using an ordinary 3/16" drill bit. That's all it takes. Best of all, with the cabinet hardware jig, you can easily repeat the process again and again with the same accuracy, the same confidence, and the same great results. So whether you need to mount a single knob or pull, or you're installing new knobs and pulls on an entire kitchen, the KREG cabinet hardware jig gives the confidence to add that finishing touch yourself and do it successfully. For more information about the cabinet hardware jig and the rest of our hardware installation solutions, visit us online at KREGTool.com.